So last Monday, we have already finished up to this point, okay? So all these six sentient beings, Tha, Lamayin, Me, Dundu, Ida, Nyelwa, okay? All these, they are included in this realm, desire realm. In Tibetan, we say Dökam, Dökam. Ao Danaro Döta Dö, Ka Masa Kam, 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 Dökam. Okay, if you look at the realms, there are three kinds of realms. The first one is Dukam, then another one is Sukham. Sukham. Kau sa shamju sukha sa sukh, kama sa kham, Sukham. Kau sa shamju sukha sa sukh, kama sa kham, Sukham. Kau sa shabju sukha sa sukh, kha ma sa kham, sukham. Kau sa shabju sukha sa sukh, kha ma sa kham, sukham. Sukham means form realm. Form realm. Okay. Sukham means form realms. Okay, now the last one is a Sugmekham. Kau sa shabju sukha sa sukh, madengbo me tha me, Sugme khama sa kham, Sugmekham. Kau sa shabju sukha sa sukh, madengbo me tha me, khama sa kham, Sugmekham. Kau sa shabju sukha sa sukh, madengbo me tha me, sukme. Kau sa shabju sukha sa sukh, madengbo me tha me, sukme kham, sukme kham. Okay? Okay, good?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so these are the three realms. Okay. So it doesn't matter in your past life if you were born in a Dukam, or if you were born in Sukham, or if you were born in Sumekam. And also in this present life, it doesn't matter whether you are born in desire realm, Dukam, or whether you are born in Sukham, or whether you are born in Sumekam. Okay. And also in future, it doesn't matter whether you will be born in Dukam, or whether you will be born in Sukham, or whether you will be born in Sumekam. So wherever you born, what kind of body that you have taken, or you are taking, or you will take in future, what kind of body, even it is a human body, even it is a animal body, even it is a god bodies, even it is a hungry ghost body, it doesn't matter. All these bodies, they are all the product of our past karma and afflictive emotions. So any bodies that is produced by our own past karma and afflicted emotions. They are all the suffering of condition. This one, suffering of condition. Any kind of body, it doesn't matter whether it is an animal body which is produced by our past karma, they are all suffering of conditions. All these are the suffering of condition. Okay. So far, so good.
Lasso.
Again, maybe I have to translate for
Okay,
Han
okay,
Han.
go ahead.
这个今天讲可能比较难哦，因为他在讲那个欲界、色界跟无色界。那就是说，我们的身体啊，都是从我们过去的业来的，包括说你可能是动物身体，你可能是人的身体，那这些都是从我们过去所造成的业带来的一个结果。哦，所以就是老师刚刚讲的是这个。OK，
Done?
都是
这样
指
Okay.
Han,
Now, if you look at here, so we have already described about the center one. Okay. And then we have already described about the second ring. Now we are going to talk about the third ring. So third ring, this is a God being. This is a God being. This is a demigod being. Hamayin. This one is La.
Lama
This one is Hamayin.
Lama
This one is me. We belong to here. We human being belong here. Okay. Now this one is animal. Tundo. And this one is Yida, hungry ghost.
Can your Gigi? It's not so clear.
Sorry, you cannot hear my voice.
I can hear your voice, but the point that is not clear. The area you point out.
Yeah. We talk about this, Tha, Tamayin, me,
Yeah, I know.
Hindu, Ida, Nyalwa. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you look at this picture, this one is Tha. Tha. La Talha. Okay. This
Okay.
one is Tamayin. Asura.
Okay.
And this one is me, human being.
Okay.
Okay. So this part is animal. Tundo, animal. And this part is Yida, hungry
Yida.
ghost. And this last one, the below one, is Nyelwa, hell being. Okay. Good.
Okay.
Okay. So if in some case you can see the 6 parts. Yeah. The third ring has the 6 parts. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. In some like a diagram, you can see only 5. If you see only 5, then they will combine these two together. Tha and Hamayin together.
But why?
This one. Tha and Hamayin.
Hamayin.
Yeah,
Together.
they put them together.
The reason.
The reason is actually they are quite similar. Ha and Lama Yin, actually they are very similar. They are different, but quite similar. So that's why they put them together. They don't try to differentiate them. Okay, so in some diagram, the third ring, this one, you can see only 5 parts. And many diagram, you can see it has 6 parts. Okay.
Okay.
If you find the 6 parts or 6 compartments, in Tibetan we call it Sipa Kolo Changapa. Changapa.
Changapa.
Nga means 5.
5.
Yeah. Changapa means 5, parts, 5 compartments.
Chajupa, changapa.
Changapa, Chatupa. Sipa Kolo Chatupa.
Chajupa.
So in some monasteries, in their diagram, you can see only 5 parts in a third ring. If you found this, then don't tell them, you have made a mistake, don't tell them, okay? Because these two, Sipakolo Changapa and Sipakolo Chatupa, both are mentioned in the textbook.
Okay.
Okay.
So
if somebody, somebody painted 6 parts, it's also correct. Or if somebody painted the 5 parts, it is also correct. There's no mistake there.
Gelab, I have a question.
Oh, please.
You say they are similar, but we can see the painting is a bit different.
Yeah. If you want to separate them together, you can do it because they are different. Actually, they are different. But in terms of their physical appearance, in terms of their, what do you call that? In terms of the so many, what do you call that? Superstitious power means the clairvoyance. They can see the future, or they can see the past life, also like that.
Yeah.
So in terms of so many qualities, so many features, they are quite similar. Both of them, they have this kind of qualities.
Okay.
Actually, they are completely different, but they are sharing so many similarities between them. So that's why many scholars, they put them together. They do not make any differentiate between La and Lama Yin.
Okay.
Any question now?
Yeah, as I know, Lama Yin, they are quite ugly, right?
No, Lama Yin also very beautiful.
It's for
They are very attractive.
female.
No, they are all very attractive.
Oh,
the
really?
problem is they look like a god, very attractive, very good looking, no problem. The problem is they are very jealous of her. They have a lot of jealousy.
Oh.
They always fight with the La.
Oh.
And La and Lamai, they are regularly fighting to each other.
I got it. 我搞错了. Okay.
This diagram, you can see that these are the Lamai, they are shooting the arrows to the La. And La, they are also shooting arrow down here. They are fighting each other. Why they are fighting? Because if you if you look at the stories, the story it says that there is a one big tree. They call it wish fulfilling tree. Yeah, wish fulfilling tree. That tree actually the root is there in the Lamain, but it grows up, and it is giving a fruit in the heaven, So they are picking up all the fruits, enjoying. So Lama is saying that this is our tree, because root is there in Lama. Thai is saying that it grows in heaven, so it is our tree. So they are fighting each other like that.
听得懂吗？需要翻译吗？
我懂，但是我一直
Do you
搞混呢。
understand?
哎，主持人哈是
啊，不错，
天人还是
不错。
哈是天人嘛，对不对？哈马
那
银是那个阿
是天人，拉
修罗。
玛印是阿修罗。
那他说哈马银长得很好看，可是我们汉人是讲哈马银很丑啊。
田老 I have a question.
Yeah.
So first,
did you understand what I said?
Yes.
Understood.
So actually, La and Lama Yin are at the same word, right?
No.
Not the same.
They are not. They are different place.
Different word. Then
Yes.
why the tree can just grow to the La?
一个在天上啊，
Yeah,
它慢慢往上长啊。
The fruit
如果它在
grows-
天上，那代表他们在同一个世界才可以这样子啊。
If you look at the
yeah.
fruits, these are the fruits.
Yes.
The
No,
tree
I mean-
of the fruit grows at the La.
Yes, I mean, but
But the
if
root is
La-
there in the Lamain.
yes, but if the La and Lama Yin are not at the same word, just like Earth, right? Then how can La just see the tree?
I didn't get your point.
I mean, just like Earth. If there's a tree, they just on the Earth, then the Earth just the tree just grow up very very tall, and
Yes,
actually
yes.
它还是在地球上面啊，怎么讲？
你要讲不同的法界啦，法界怎么讲啊？
什么 come to
等一
come？
下哦。
No.
原来 wait a moment.
Sorry, well, we need to translate. Our English is not so excellent, and
Okay.
our
Take
Tibetan
your
is not
time.
excellent either.
Take your time. Take your time.
Okay. 突厥界。
I think Chen is mentioned about why if Ha and Hama is in different level.
Yes.
Different level, but why the tree can
Lama is below than Ha.
but why the tree can grow up to the area of Ha?
Yes.
It's all
Because it grows very, very tall.
very 所以它长很高，
Yeah.
所以他的意思是指这棵树从地球长到火星这样子。
类似就是它可以一直往上长到别人的地方去。
求人不。
got it.
Okay.
Got it.
I see.
So
actually, the tree just grow on the Earth, right? But the top are at Mars, just like that.
你讲这样太复杂，老师听不懂。
Yes, 没有，就是它的地在那个地球，可是它的那个树梢在火星。
地球其实是我们南瞻部洲的概念，其实哈马营也不在地球啊。
比喻嘛。
比喻for example. Okay.
Well, I think we can just continue, yeah.
Okay, like this, I will, maybe I can take another example.
这一集它不能上传到 YT， 会那个误导我们的中文，会误导大家。
Like this, okay. You can see like this. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, now I will try to get another thing.
Grow up.
Yeah, where
哦，
is
见
the
啦，
one?
提尊心明卡嘞，
Paksam Gishing.
北山吉星。
讲中文，讲英文。
我问他说这个树叫什么名字，他说这个树叫做北山吉星，这个是县曼达里面会有的树。
哦，真的哦。
对，北山吉星 is Mandal 北山吉星。
太
This
专业，
one.
我只知道树叫心动。
This one. Can you see this Tibetan word?
Yep.
啊 ，yes yes。
北山吉星。
Okay, so this root is grounded in the Lama in place. Okay, but it grows continuously and it started to give the fruit in heaven.
In the
So
heaven.
La,
In the heaven.
yeah, so La, they pick up the fruits and they enjoy it. Then Lama in, they are complaining to the La, stop eating it. This is our fruit. You cannot enjoy the fruit. It belongs to us.
But
This
cannot,
tree
the tree
belongs
is,
to us.
cannot, the tree is so high, so tall.
So
How Lama
tall,
in
yeah.
how they can get their food?
Sorry?
Lama in the tree is super high.
Yes,
So how Lama in they can get their fruit?
所以他们
yes.
拿不到啊。
Lama also, they have a same feature like La. They can fly.
Oh, they can fly.
They can fly. They can, I told you, they can see the future life. They can see the
Oh.
past life.
Okay.
The fruit will drop down.
Not drop down， 他们可以飞上去拿，因为他们的神通跟天人一样。
They have a clairvoyance. They have so many powers like La.
Okay.
Okay, you got it.
So that means Lama in they went to somebody's home to take the fruit.
They can go to the heaven. They can go to the Layuri, heaven, but they cannot stay there because La will kill them.
Okay.
所以
I
他
will
们
not
他们
give them a good visa, you know. Immediately they have to go.
所以他们不在同一个世界，可是他可以到他们的世界。
对，所以我说他跑到人家家里去拿东西啊。
啊，他说这个蜡会揍他啊。
对啊，所以他们一天到晚就为了这个打架。
对啊，然后我跟你讲，
So
这个
what is
树
the
真的在县曼
problem
达
now?
里面有，它的中文叫如意圣树。
如意圣树。
对
Okay.
北山吉星。
Yeah 啦，Chen is explain it's a special tree.
北山吉星。
哈桑吉星。
That is another one. It's
It's
different.
not one.
Another one.
Paksam teaching is different.
北山
Different.
吉星 is in the Mandal, right?
What is mandala? Mandala, yeah, mandala. Yes,
Yeah. 不是如北山吉星提出要麻木巴伊罗多。
yes, yes.
This is this one.
Actually, Pasam Gishing means this one. It grows in a layun.
啊，那就
Okay. Dejo Ba means, you know the Dejo Ba. What is Dejo Ba?
cow
Yeah.
cow。
What kind of cow is that?
他跟我说。
You don't know? Oh, okay, I will show you that.
真的你讲都听不懂了啦。
没有，我说这个树是那个县曼达里面有的树。他说对，他说这个树呢其实长在天界，然后它的下一句叫做满玉牛。
You can see this cow.
湿婆的坐骑呀。
那它跟树有什么关系？
不是，这个是县曼达，我们会献37样东西，其中一样。
OK。
This one, you can see
Ah.
this cow. We call it Dojui Pa.
取决一把
You know, Tibetan term, I will write here. Oh, where is it? Dojui Pa.
的绝
Dojui Pa.
的绝把的绝把的追把的追把
Okay. The Dojui Pa means, you know, Dojo means, Do means
欲望
wish
取洽
or desire. Wish.
wish OK
Wish.
他刚刚有讲啊，就是这是一个愿望可以被满足的树。
Okay, Tibetan term here, Do means
Do.
wish.
wish
Okay. Jo means actually milking.
milking
OK
Pa means cow.
yes
哦
That is the literal meaning. This is the literal translation,
OK
哦
but
又
it's
是另外一
not
件
a
事
meaning
情。
translation. Literal translation and meaning translation. Different.
OK
The meaning, you could say, wishful
wishful cow
feeling cow. If you pray, you know, whatever you have wished, if you pray to that cow, your wish will be fulfilled.
啊肺
So
要
that's
破
why they are calling it wishful feeling cow.
OK
You got it?
yes and where is the cow
Sorry.
你们两个从树可以讲到靠，
谈大题取决一把口语
This wishful feeling cow is also there in heaven.
OK
Yeah, Allah has this, you know, 4 or 5 things, you know. Dejoi Pa,
哦
Pasam Gishing,
Mamu
all
pi
these.
loto.
Mame Pai Loto.
啊毛毛
Mame
派
Pai, yeah. Loto means, you know,
Corn.
crops. Loto means crops.
crops
English term crops, you know.
切割。哎，今天好累哦。
We cultivate, there are crops in farm.
哦，
yeah?
庄稼。
不需耕种庄稼
Crop. Okay.
OK
But in heaven, crops grows itself.
嗯，
So mame, Tibetan term mame means, you know, we
Farm.
use plow. Look at this one. This picture.
OK
People are plowing the field. Use the
Then-
tractor.
耕种 OK
Okay. Mame
Yes.
means we don't, in heaven, you know, they don't have to do this. All the crops will grow itself.
yes
So that's why they are saying we Tibetan term means we plow, we put in the field, then we put the water, then it grows.
啊
In the heaven, nobody is putting any seed there, it grows itself. So that's
yes
why that kind of crops we call it mame pai loto.
没白 loto
You don't have to cultivate them. Okay.
OK
Any question now?
no
No question? Good.
Okay.
Okay. Now, look at here. These two rings, center, it shows the Nyomongbe Kunjung Demba. And this one, it shows the leg Kunjung Demba. The first center and the second ring is two rings, this one and this one. Both of them, they represent Kunjung Demba. Okay, you forgot the
Okay.
Kunjung Demba, yeah? Do you remember what is Kunjung Demba?
Yes, yes. 极地.
Yeah, okay. So then this one, it represents the Dungel Demba. Okay, the
Okay.
truth of suffering. Any question? We discuss about the Four Noble Truths, yeah? Where
Yes.
is that? Where is the Four Noble Truths? This one? Yes, no, not this one. This one. Dungel Demba, Kunjung Demba, Gobe Demba, Lambi Demba. So I have already explained the Kunjung Demba. Kunjung Demba has two aspects, yeah? This one. Kunjung Demba has two aspects, Leki Kunjung and Nyomongbe Kunjung. So what is Leki Kunjung? What is Nyomongbe Kunjung? This one is Nyomongbe Kunjung. This pig, snakes, and birds, they are all Nyomongbe Kunjung. Nyomongbe Kunjung Demba. Okay, then this one, white karma and black karma. Leki Kunjung Demba, this one, Leki Kunjung Demba. So first, like a center ring and the second ring, they represent the Kunjung Demba. Now I'm talking about this one, Dungel Demba. Okay, Dungel Demba, we already discussed Dungel ki Dungel, Gyurve Dungel, Khabat Doche ki Dungel. And I explained to you, Khabat Doche ki Dungel is the root, is the foundation of all Dungel, all kind of sufferings, Dungel ki Dungel and Gyurve Dungel. Do you remember that? Yeah, Khabat Doche ki Dungel. So this cycle, it explained about the Khabat Duchel Gidungel. I told you, wherever you born, if you have taken a human body, it is a Khabat Duchel Gidungel. If you are born as a god, Ha has a body. That body is also the Khabat Duchel Gidungel. Lama, their body is also the Khabat Duchel Gidungel. And animal, their body is also Khabat Duchel Gidungel. And hungry ghost, their body is also Khabat Duchel Gidungel. Nyawa, their body is also Khabat Duchel Gidungel. So in this, in this ring, not only shows the Khabat Duchel Gidungel, if you look at the human being, they also have a Dungel Gidungel. Dungel Gidungel, I talked to you about the 4 types of Dungel Gidungel. Kewe Dungel. means suffering of birth, Nawe Dungel, suffering of illness, Gawe Dungel, suffering of aging, and Chiwe Dungel, suffering of death. All are here in this cycle, in this ring. So this ring actually shows about the Dungel ki Demba. Okay, good.
Okay.
Shall I go to the next slide? Good. Any question?
Okay. Okay.
No more question, yeah? Okay. Now, how does one individual person, take the rebirth in samsara? How does? Like how we are going to take a rebirth in our future life? Okay. So then it talks about the 12 links of dependent origination. 12 links of dependent origination. So in this, you can see the 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these 12, the last ring, it has a 12 parts, 12 compartments. Okay. Okay, good.
Okay.
Okay. The first one, this one. So what are the 12 links of dependent originations? Okay. The first one, Marikpa.
Malipa.
Okay. I will talk to you. This one. This one, actually, it represents the Marikpa.
Malipa.
This one, Marikpa. Marikpa. Ma, Rakigurika Rik, Pa. Marikpa.
Malipa.
Marikpa. Ma, Rakigurika Rik, Pa. Marikpa. So this one shows the Marikpa. Marikpa. Ma, Rakigurika Rik, Pa. Marikpa. So Marikpa means ignorance in English.
无名 Malipa, ignorance, Malipa.
Okay. Good. Now I will talk to you. There are so many kinds of Marikpa, but Buddha has pointed out the two Marikpa, okay, two ignorances. There are so many Marikpas, but Buddha has pointed out only two Marikpas. Okay, the first one is the Tekonani Lamungbe Marikpa. Tekonani Tadengbo Te Kanaro To Na Nyakigu Nita Ni Tekonani. Tekonani. Okay, La. This one is La. Ramadamana Romu Ngasa Mo. Ramadamana Romu Ngasa Mo. Ramadamana Romu Ngasa Mo. Tekona Nila Mo Pa Kiku Pe. Mo Pe. Ma Rakiku Rika Rik Pa. marikpa tadengbu te kanaro ko na nyakigu nyita ni te kona ni la ramadama naromo ngasa mo pa hakigu pe mo pe ma rakigu rika rik pa marik pa tadengbo te kanaro ko na nyakigu nyita ni te kona ni la ramadama romo ngasa mo pa hakigu pe mo pe ma rakigu rika rik pa ma rik pa te kona ni la mo pe ma rik pa. Okay, can you read?
Dekonali na mong bei malipa.
Can you read?
我刚刚念
Let's
有人
try.
听到吗
有，是他的网络卡了。
？Kena, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but I don't understand what you are saying.
我也不知道我在讲什么。
You have spoken in Chinese, how would I understand?
I spoke in Tibetan.
Ah,
他刚刚
哦
网络卡了。
哦，OK.
what did you say? Come
I
again.
say,
You said
Dekonani, la
la.
mong bei malipa.
That's good. I heard that. But you said something to Chen. What did you say?
I say, Kena didn't hear me.
No.
I said that in Chinese. Kena didn't hear me.
Ah, okay. I heard you.
Okay.
I asked, what about the others? Others means not you.
Okay. Anila, say something. 你念一次。
Can you read this one?
Anila,
Maripa.
This one.
玛丽，不是瑞，玛丽巴。
This one.
Dekonani.
Tekonali.
拉蒙贝
拉蒙
玛丽巴。
拉蒙贝拉利巴。
玛丽巴。
玛丽巴。
Te kona ni la mompe marikpa.
蒙贝玛丽巴。
Marikpa means ignorance. Ignorance that do not understand the nature of reality. Tekonani means nature of reality or emptiness. Same. Tekonani means emptiness, the nature of reality. Okay. Selflessness. Tekonani has so many meanings, yeah.
Dekonani.
I think I should write it down here. Otherwise, you wouldn't understand.
他真的觉得我们很蠢。
Tekonani means the nature of reality or emptiness, selflessness. So Tekonani means the nature of reality, emptiness, selflessness.
无我
What? Woo. What is woo?
no 无 means no no
No.
no
What is no?
empty,
Ah, emptiness.
empty yeah 无
嗯
means empty or no
Emptiness.
without.
Selflessness. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. Now, here, Tekona Nila Mumbe Marikpa is equal to this one, Tenzin, self-grasping. Tenzin, da, o da ka da, o za ki gu zin na zin, Tenzin,
大进大进
Tenzin,
大进进啊大
o
进
da ka da, o za ki gu zin na zin,
大进
Tenzin.
大进
So these two are same. Tenzin means ignorance that do not understand the emptiness, that do not understand the nature of reality. Dangzi means. So what is Dangzi? So Dangzi means ignorance that do not understand the selflessness. Okay. Dangzi. Good.
so 跟那attachment is kind of 当进 right
Attachment comes from Dangzin.
ก็ comes from 当进
Dangzin. Attachment arises from Dangzin. Okay.
okay
So Dangzin is the root of all afflictive emotion. This one is the root. Ekona nilamumbe marikpa is the root for all kind of negative emotions like attachment, anger, hatred, all this, jealousy.
but
Okay.
跟那当进 comes from ignorance
Yes. Dangzi is a ignorance, itself ignorance. Dangzi does not come from ignorance. Dangzi itself is ignorance.
okay
Okay. Good. So far, so good. I
涵
think
涵
too
涵
much.
涵，你今
Too
天还
much,
行
yeah?
吗？没有，it's okay。涵涵，你今天还行吗？
我还可以加油。
Oh, you said honey.
No no，涵涵
Oh, okay, okay.
Her
I
name-
heard honey.
It's kind of my honey. my ex roommate.
Oh, okay. People use the honey for their wife or their girlfriend or their boyfriend. They are
It's
using
my-
the term honey.
It's my roommate.
Okay. And also they use it for their kids.
Oh, okay.
Like that. So like some kind of love.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, very big love.
It's 涵涵 not honey. 涵涵
Okay, okay. I heard honey. Okay, this is one kind of marikpa Buddha has pointed out. There are so many marikpa, but first Buddha has pointed out this marikpa. Okay, then second marikpa is lende lamume marikpa. Lende lasa le Au parata dasa de lende la mombe maripa la sa le au parata dasa de lende la mombe maripa. Lende means the law of karma.
因果
这翻叫因果业力法则，
累赘因果
累赘因果。
So why Buddha has mentioned only these two maripa? Why Buddha mentioned this?
Why?
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 Okay, this one. If you have this maripa, lende lamu me maripa, if you have ignorance about the law of karma, if you do not understand the law of karma, then you do not practice the 10 virtues action, and you do not understand that you have to avoid the 10 non-virtues action. Okay, I will explain this one, yeah.
Let me translate to my honey.
Yeah.
变成了韩
那个他就在老师讲，其实就是如果你不知道因果的话呢，你就不会知道要去行十善。我们佛法讲十善嘛，然后还有十不善，就是佛陀他会在这个部分特别说的原因，是因为要知道因果才会知道行十善。所以有些人他会有一些神操作，那就是他不懂因果。对 ，OK。
Okay. If you are ignorance, if you do not understand the lende, then you wouldn't know about the Gyawachu and Migewachu. Gyawachu means 10 virtues action. Migewachu means 10 non-virtues action. Gyawachu, we have to practice that. We have to practice Gyawachu. Migewachu, we have to avoid it. We have to avoid them.
Wrong spelling.
Which one?
Practice.
Oh, okay, sorry. Done. So we have to practice the 10 virtues action, and we have to avoid. Avoid means we do not have to do this 10 non-virtues action. If we do not understand how we have to practice the Gyawachu and how we have to avoid Migewachu, then what is the problem?
What's the problem?
If you practice 10 virtues, and if you avoid 10 non-virtues, then you can become a me. Human being.
One is legable, the other one is legnable.
Lenapo. if you want to become me, hamayin, okay, then you have to practice God, okay, God, demigod, human being. If you want to become or you want to born as a god or demigod or human being in your next life, then you have to practice 10 virtues action, and you have to avoid the 10 non-virtuous action. Okay,
Okay,
good.
good.
If you don't do these two, if you don't practice 10 virtues action, and if you do not avoid the 10 non-virtuous action in your this life, then in your next life you will not born as a human being, I'm sorry, me, and Lamayin,
Oh, yeah.
you will not, you won't born.
Become
You,
a
you
snack.
won't become, yeah, Lamayin. So in your future life, continuously, if you become human being like La and like this, then you can practice the Dharma continuously. If you born as an animal, if you born as a hungry ghost, if you born as a hell being, then you cannot practice, Dharma. You cannot practice the Dharma in your future life. So your practice of Dharma will discontinue. These three, especially the me, is very important for us to do the practice of Dharma. Okay, if you want to practice the Dharma, especially the Buddha Dharma, you have to become a human being not only in this life, in your future life. Very important. You got it?
Got it.
Good. Okay.
If you can choose,
sorry.
if you can choose, what kind you wanna be?
What?
If you can choose,
Choose what?
like a ball, God, God, Hama Ying, and me.
I will choose this one. Me.
Me again.
Yes.
Okay.
Again, me. No La. I don't want to become La. I don't want to become Lamayin.
Okay.
La and Lamayi also has, they also have a potential to do the practice of Dharma. They are like a human being. They have a good, sharp mind, but they are enjoying full of their entertainment life, full of
Yeah,
entertainment.
every day.
Every day happy. Every day is New Year for them. So they don't practice the Dharma. Every day, every single day is a new year for them. So that's why they don't practice the Dharma. They, ignore the Dharma. So only the human being has a best opportunity to do the practice of Dharma. Okay,
Okay. Good.
Anila, good? Okay.
Han good.
Yeah, so here, this one, Lende lamong be maripa. If you have this ignorance, then there is no chance that you will be born as a human being in your future life. So this ignorance is very dangerous. It's a very risky for us for our future life. And this marikpa, tekona nilamu be marikpa, this marikpa will hold you inside the samsara. If you do not overcome this, if you do not eliminate this marikpa, this one, tangzi or tekona nilamu be marikpa, they are same. If you do not cut down the dangzi, if you do not, eliminate the dangzi, this one, then you will develop attachment, you will develop anger. All this negative emotion come from this one. As long as you have dangzi, if you are under the influence of dangzi, then you cannot escape from samsara. Understand?
Understood.
Oh, very good. So that's
Han
why.
OK 吗？
So that's why there are so many types of ignorance, but Buddha has pointed out only these two kinds of marikpa. Okay, only these two kinds of ignorance. One ignorance is obstacle for your future life, and another ignorance is obstacle for you to escape from samsara. You got it? What is the meaning of escape? Run away.
Run away. Yeah.
We are saying that Dalai Lama escaped from Tibet. Yeah, good.
Yeah, good.
Your parents escaped from mainland China to Taiwan.
Yeah.
Right or wrong?
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. So I will stop here today. Too much is not good. So
我们被嘲
today,
笑了。
yeah, we have already discussed about this one. The first part of the 12 links of dependent origination. In Tibetan term, we say Tendel Yanla Chungi. I will write it down. Sorry.
12因缘。
I will write it here. Oh, sorry. Tendel Yanla Chungi. In English, 12 links of the dependent origination. Okay. Tendel means the dependent
Tender
origination. Yanla
Yanla
means links of
Links.
or links.
Links.
Okay. Chunyi
Juni 12
means 12.
12
12. 12, this one. 1 to 12.
Ratata tempo de na
Ratata dengo de na den.
na den ao
O parada da dengo del na del. Den del.
den
Del. Ratata da dengo de na den. O parada da dengo del na del.
den
Den del.
den den
Ratata da dengo de na den. O parada da dengo del na del. Den del. Ratata da dengo de na den. Au parada da dengo della del. Den del.
danger danger danger
Yana yen. Laka lak.
danger yen
Yen lak.
danger yen
Yana yen.
yen
Laka lak.
danger
Yen
yen
lak.
yen lak
Yana
danger
yen. Laka lak.
danger yen
Yen lak.
yen lak
Pau cha sha kyu chu. Pau cha sha kyu chu. Pau cha sha kyu chu. Kau nyaki kunyi sa ni. Kau nyaki kunyi sa ni. Kau nyaki kunyi sa ni. Chunyi. Tendel yan la chunyi.
danger yen la juni danger yen la juni danger
So 12. We have 12. But today we finished 1. Good. Any question? Chen Chen.
觉得你被 Q 了
Chen Chen.
Yes, I have a question.
Oh, okay.
So first we talk about Majikba, right?
Yes, yes.
And why the picture is the woman, or maybe not a woman, a people.
It's not a woman. Actually, it is a blind person.
Oh,
I will write it down here.
盲
Okay.
人
对对对，因为他没有解释为什么画长这样子。
Blind person holding a stick.
哦，拿着拐杖的盲人，
哎，拿着对
Like this.
哦
Can you see?
，Yes，
So
Oh.
Maripa, ignorance. If somebody is blind, he cannot see the path.
哦，
So if
Umi.
you have a Maripa, you cannot see the reality.
嗯，
哦
It is like a blind for you.
哦，I see。
Hmm.
How we call a blind person in Tibet?
Miksharwa.
没想哇，
Mix 下哇
下是眼睛嘛，
Sharwa.
，mix 是眼睛，
哦，命是眼睛，
下
下呢？
哇是有点没有的意思。
哦，下哇，眼睛没有，
This one is Sharwa.
下哇，
mix 下哇
mix
Mik
下
means
哇，
eye.
爱
，eyes
Yeah, blind person means Sharwa.
下哇，下哇，mix 下哇，mix
Hmm. Okay,
Ella.
I will use the dictionary here.
他的小哇就是盲人的意思啊。
所以是他不用讲 mix
This
嘛，
one
对
here.
对，不用 mix
Can you see this?
呀，
啊，
Mik Sharwa. Mik Longa also.
龙哇
Longwa,
Longwa, Sharwa, same. 12. Now I already said these rings has a 12 parts. Okay. So we have finished this one today. The blind person is walking with a stick. He cannot see the road. He cannot see the path. Okay. This one is finished.